So the next step in our through-hull repair is to apply some TotalFair on the outside to smooth over the low areas before we put the barrier coat on. So we're going to mix this new and improved formula TotalFair 1-to-1 just by volume. Got individual sticks that I'm going to use. You don't want to use the same stick in both buckets because you can contaminate the other bucket. You can see this is a pot we've been working with, but you get a little bit of this oxidation on the top. This is totally normal. It's just some slight discoloration from the formula, but it's all fine. This will just mix right in, nothing to worry about there. I'm just gonna eyeball the amounts. We're looking for consistency in color. Much of it's turning green. And just so I don't have any trouble with unmixed elements. I'm not gonna work from my mixing sheet. I'm just going to take the mixed product, put that on a new sheet so I don't have any of this stuff on the edges that isn't quite incorporated. Now the trick when you're applying fairing, especially a final fairing, you want to get rid of all the air bubbles in the material that you're putting down. So in this case, I'll take the TotalFair and I'm just going to pull it on my sheet, and you can see the air bubbles. Like there's an air bubble. I'm just trying to get rid of all those bubbles so that when I trowel it down, you can see as you pull and get rid of the air, the surface becomes smoother and smoother. So that's what I'm looking for when I do my final pull on the boat with the fairing, that it's nice and smooth and bubble free. And for me, that looks pretty good. A couple of small air bubbles, but I don't think I can make it much smoother than that at this point. For this application on the bottom, that'll be sand, and we'll go straight to barrier coat from that.